Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over our Dollar General clearance event game plan. I have more information to share with you all, plus a few tips and tricks. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so jumping right in, here's your quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other Dollar General videos that y'all have to go and check out. And I'm going to have them all listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, it is going to be very, very important for you all this week to make sure that you check the pinned comment of each video and make sure that you guys are staying up to date on each video, because I will probably be uploading multiple videos each day, and sometimes when that happens, YouTube does not send out notifications for all of the videos. So just make sure that you check out the pinned comment. That way you stay up to date on all of the new information. Alright, now in this video, we're going to be going over our Dollar General clearance event game plan. I know that a lot of y'all have been with me before through Dollar General clearance events, and y'all love the visuals and the slides and all of the things, but I decided to change up a few things this year, so I just kind of wanted to give y'all a heads up. Plus, I have some new information to share with y'all, so let's get into it. Alright, so first up, like I said before, I will be uploading videos every single day, probably multiple videos every single day this week. So it's going to be very important that you guys check back with the channel and check out those videos, because without you guys, those videos will flop and all of my hard work will be for nothing. So y'all make sure that you come back and watch those videos. Now, the second thing we need to talk about is categories. So typically in the past, I have just crammed like 3 or 4 categories into one video, and I've tried to break it up into 3 parts. However, it seems like that might be a little bit overwhelming for you all. I'm not quite sure. Seems like everybody watched part 1, and then everybody just kind of started to trickle off, and they didn't come back and watch part 2 or part 3. So this year, I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to break it up into categories. So we'll have like a household video, personal care video, pet supplies, things like that. Now, there will be a few videos that will have multiple categories in them just because they are small categories, and I really don't want to waste your all's time or mine. Now, another thing that I'm thinking about doing this year is going live on Thursday, maybe Thursday evening, Thursday night. You guys let me know what you all think about that down in the comment section below. What would be a good time for you all, or even if you're interested in it. You guys may not even care at all, but I thought maybe we'll go live and just kind of do like a real quick refresher, talk about any new coupon matchups or any new updates that might have happened, right before the clearance event starts Friday morning. Now, if that doesn't happen, if something comes up and I'm not able to do a live on Thursday, I am going to be putting together kind of like a last minute before you head out the door video that I will upload either Thursday night or first thing Friday morning for any kind of new information that might pop up, new coupon matchups that I find, because I'm telling y'all, this is going to be a ton of information. So you guys let me know what y'all think about it down in the comment section below, and I will update you guys as we get closer to Thursday and Friday. All right, now the next thing we need to talk about are UPC codes, and I'm not sure why, but people really get hung up on having the UPC codes for these items, and I do not want you guys to do that. Do not get hung up on having every single UPC code for every single item. It is not necessary, and it is a huge waste of time. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm a mom, I have a family, I work, so there's a lot on my plate at all times. We don't need to be adding in, more stuff that really isn't going to make a difference in the end. Now, this year, I have noticed some changes, or at least it's new information to me, so I'm going to share this information with you all. That way you can see why I'm not getting hung up on the UPC codes. Number 1, the same item can have multiple UPC codes. I'm not sure why, but that is the case, and I have noticed it over several of the last lists that I have received. Not sure what's going on there, but there can be multiple UPC codes for the same item. Now, the second thing that I want you all to remember is that with all of these items that are included in the clearance event, all of the items that are included on the clearance list, these are all discontinued items. So if you type in the UPC codes, and trust me, I have typed in hundreds at this point off of the clearance list, And the majority of them say out of stock, low in stock, or not sold at this store. So spending a bunch of time typing in UPC codes and checking your stores for the inventory is honestly, it's a waste of time. Please do not do that. Plus, on top of that, the Dollar General inventory with the DG app, I have hardly ever seen it be correct. I can be standing in the store staring at an item and I will scan it and it will say out of stock. So please do not trust the Dollar General app when it comes to finding inventory. So basically what I'm trying to tell you all is when it comes to the Dollar General clearance events, having the UPC codes are really only good for two things. Number one, you can pull up a picture of the item, and number two, you can see the price of the item before you leave your house. And really, that's what I've spent my time doing for you all over the last week or so. So I've already put together all of those pictures and prices and all of that information that you guys are going to need. All that's going to be in the videos that I upload for you all this week. So all the hard work is already done for you. So again, just don't get hung up on the UPC codes. Now, while we're on the topic of UPC codes, I do want to go ahead and give you guys this little bit of information as well. It doesn't necessarily pertain to clearance events as much as it does our penny list. So you guys know I put out the penny list every single week, and I do include the UPC codes in those videos. And what I've noticed over the last couple of weeks, especially because we have had so many surprise penny items, if I type in the UPC code at home, sometimes it shows me full price. But then once I get to the store and I scan the item, it will actually scan as a penny and ring up as a penny at the register. So again, I know that that's not really great information or even good news, but it just goes to show you that we really can't trust the Dollar General app 110% because it's not always correct. So the best thing to do is to go and scope out your stores, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in these videos this week, and that way, come this weekend, you guys will be ready and you'll know exactly what to look for. And of course, as I always say, scan, scan, scan before you go up to the register. Now, another thing that's going to be different this year is that there's going to be your miles may vary slides. Now, what in the world does that mean? Well, basically, I do have the list from Dollar General. However, I wanted to go ahead and take it a step further for you guys. So I went out and scoped a bunch of stores out, checked out the clearance sections, and I found items that were not on the list that are in clearance sections, or they might have been marked as POG clearance at select stores. So if you guys see a slide that says your miles may vary, you guys definitely need to make sure that you scan that item before you go up to the register, because that might be an item that is only on clearance at select stores. But I wanted to go ahead and give this a try. We'll see how it all pans out. This may be something that I continue in the future, and it may not be. But we'll just have to wait and see. Either way, I wanted to bring you guys all of the deals that I was finding at my stores. And this was kind of the best way that I know how to do it, and still kind of give you guys a warning that you definitely need to make sure that you scan those items before you go up to the register. All right, now here's a quick example of what the slides are going to look like for this Dollar General clearance event. So as you all can see, we have the picture or pictures of the items, plus the description, plus the price that it is right now. And then I have put down the 50% off price that it will be this weekend. Now, if you see those four numbers in the bottom right-hand corner, 9370, that is the last four numbers of the UPC code. Now, I did this for a couple of reasons. Number one, I think that while we are in the store, if you do need to know a UPC code, the last four will really tell you guys if that is the item or not. But number two, I really don't want you guys to get hung up on the UPC codes. Just scan the item and see if it's ringing up the additional 50% off, because like I said before, there are multiple UPC codes for some of these items. All right, now we're going to kind of switch gears and we're going to talk about some information that is specific to this Dollar General clearance event. So number one, we did receive a digital 5 off $25 coupon, and bonus, this one is valid from Friday, February the 3rd through Sunday, February the 5th. So the entire length of the Dollar General clearance event, we are going to have that digital 5 off $25 coupon to use. Now, what exactly is going to be included in this Dollar General clearance event? Well, number one, we have our clearance section. All of those items will be an additional 50% off. Next up, we're going to have the POG clearance items. These are currently 10 to 25% off, and they will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. Now, if you do not know what POG clearance is, videos, make sure to check out the pinned comment down below because I have a full video going over everything that you need to know about Dollar General clearance events. All right, next up we have our Super Bowl party supplies. These will be going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, so this weekend those will be an additional 50% off. Then we also have the Blue Star toys. These are currently at 70% off, but during the clearance event, those will be an additional 50% off. Next up, we have our holiday storage. These are going down to 70% off starting on a Tuesday, so this weekend those will be an additional 50% off. Also included, we have our Red Dot home decor items. These are going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, so this weekend those will be an additional 50% off, and I just uploaded the Red Dot home decor clearance visual video for you all, so make sure that you check it out. It'll be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Next up, we have our Blue Dot apparel and accessories currently at 50% off, so this weekend those will be an additional 50% off, and I am working on a visual video for the Blue Dot item. Now here's an exciting one. We have our Brown Dot home items. These are currently at 50% off, so these will be an additional 50% off during the Dollar General clearance event, and again I am working on a visual video for you guys. And last but not least, we have select antibacterial wipes and sprays that will be 50% off. Alright guys, so I hope you all are excited for this Dollar General clearance event. We are going to have an absolute blast. There are going to be tons and tons and tons of deals. So again, please make sure that you guys come back and check out all of my videos, and it is going to be very important that you guys make sure to hit the thumbs up, leave comments, and share the videos, even if you just share them to yourself in a text message or an email. It really does help me out, and it makes a world of difference in how my videos perform. So please don't forget to do all of the things, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's all have a fantastic week. Alright guys, that's going to be it for me for now, but like I said, multiple videos each and every single day, so be on the lookout. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.